Oh, it's very strong. Like, you would think that since it's electric, it wouldn't be able to put as much torque or power out, but it works just as good as any gas-powered saw.
The power is the same whether it's up close or all the way extended out.
It's faster, picks up like right away. You don't have to worry about the gas motor starting up at all.
I've used the same battery. I've not had to recharge it, and I use it all day.
There are some pretty significant issues using gas ones. You have to maintain the power head, clean the air filter, spark plugs, all that. The Milwaukee, you can just throw a battery in it and go.
You're not breathing in the fumes. Oftentimes I have to use it when I'm in the bucket, and when you're in the bucket and you're in the canopy, you have this enclosed space. If you don't have those fumes, it just makes it so much more pleasant to work.